with me I have Helle Momsen, Senior Advisor and Head of Secretariat at Nordic Sustainable Construction at the Danish Authority of Social Services and Housing. Welcome.
Mange tak. Thank you very much.
Thank you for a very good session here earlier. Can you just shortly, in brief, describe what did you talk about, as a big...
Yeah, I talked about that, so I'm from an authority, and the Nordic countries are working much together on how to make regulation that minimize the climate and environmental impact from construction. And we do that, for instance, by putting demands that you calculate how much climate impact your building have. And then many countries are either planning or have implemented a limit to how much you can emit of CO2 equivalent per square meter per year. And to be able to calculate that, you really need data. And to be able to do that fast and cheaper, we need good systems. So what I really talked about is what we, together in the Nordic collaboration, have created, and how much knowledge we have gathered by now, and how that can be shared, and hopefully others will build on it and use it to develop the tools and the software needed to make fast and cheap and very good LCA calculations.
We have already started, I must say, in symmetry. What inspired you to go into this area with sustainable construction?
I first was actually working a lot with the renewable energies and the whole energy system. And then I realized that maybe it was interesting to see how we could use less energy, because of course we can build more energy and also renewable, but it's also good to use it well. So now I talked about energy efficiency, and then that led me into construction and finding it really interesting. Yeah. We are always surrounded by it, but we also need to be better at utilizing the existing resources, energy, but also all the resources. And that led me into circular construction.
Exciting. How do you see the transition, or the challenges in the transition, actually? Because, Norway is not working the same as Sweden. Sweden is not working the same as Denmark. We need to work together on this. Is this a challenge?
I most see it as an opportunity, actually. I really think both with the Nordic Council of Ministers, where we get the funding to our collaboration, they have been supporting this area because they see that construction and our housing are super essential for the Nordic vision of being the most sustainable and integrated region in the world by 2030. So to be able to do that, we need to have a very good collaboration. And I really see us as brothers and sisters. We share good ideas, we challenge each other's arguments, and then some are leading in one way and some are leading in other areas, and together we can really accelerate our transition. So I think we're doing a great job together.
Interesting. Looking ahead, how will the future look like?
Wow, who dared to guess about the future these days? I heard in the introduction that there are many people from many different countries, and I'm really inspired by that. I believe that we don't have much time to sit on our good solutions, so we need to share them, meet like this, and engage each other, ask the hard questions. For a long time, also in the Nordic collaboration, we focused a lot on new buildings. But I think there's a key opportunity in how we can utilize the buildings we have already built much better.
Yes. There's a lot of talk about AI these days. I guess you're looking into that one too. Is it going to help us?
I am not much into artificial intelligence. I think what they say is that, humans can lead good answers, and then it can really help us. And I'm sure that all those amounts of data, hopefully IA will help us. But it has to be in a way that is still secure.
Thank you very much, Helle.